Hello everyone. Today's instruments are the frame drum, which I'm holding, and also the rain stick. And when I'm playing percussion, the greatest thing about it is when I stop. And that's what I love about these instruments. They're quite pleasant and quite resonant actually when they're being played. It's when they stop that the reverberations really are felt through my whole body. And at that point, I feel that I can enter the silence that emanates when that vibration kind of tones down. So I love the resonance of this instrument. And resonance is one of the criteria that I used in choosing all the instruments I'm sharing with you. It's that idea of just that slight sustain, because I think it takes us into an inner place where we can be more relaxed and at home. And that's really what I love about all of this, is this feeling that we're coming home to ourselves, to that kingdom within us. And of course, if you can follow the sound and ride the sound back inside of you, then that really becomes the big bonus here. But even if it's just benefiting you physically and enables you just to relax, and I feel today that the percussion perhaps can be needed, much like our voice vibrates our body. Now, you can do this at home, really. I mean, what's a great percussion place is the chest. The rhythm we're going to use is pretty much a very, very straightforward rhythm. And I'll be just stopping a little, half a second, just so you can enter the sound. Nothing complicated, just very simple. And then you can just go with the resonance of the frame drum. But I think I may have mentioned this before. Just doing this actually, it really does break things up. You find you just start taking a deeper breath and it opens up this area. So very, very good idea to do. And you can also use your tummy as a drum as well. So the whole body can be an instrument in that way. It really does perk you up. So we ask for the highest and purest light from the highest and purest source to surround and fill each one of us and the space that we're in for the highest good. And at this time, we, in the presence of this light, we send the light to whoever is needing it at this time. And we can send the light to the planet, to the cosmos. We can send the light to our homes, ourselves, of course, and anybody that comes to mind. And a beautiful way to handle the news that we're getting on a daily basis is to use it as a trigger, for want of a better word, to send the light to. As soon as there's something, they go, oh, that could use some light, rather than getting disturbed and take it into your body and into your area. Which reminds me actually that if we are feeling tight in our body, perhaps you can identify that. When we have an emotion, it's very helpful to find out where it's stuck in our body. There's a saying that if you can feel it, you can heal it. And it's almost like you just have to kind of say, well, I'm feeling it in my belly, or I'm feeling it here. This is kind of a theme in the sound work that we're doing here. So just see where you feel or experience that tightness or contraction, and then just allow the sound to vibrate through your body and take you out there. So we were calling in the light for the highest good, and you can hear the various sounds that surround us, the barking dogs, the helicopters. It's all fine. It's all part of the sound that we live in, and all we have to do is just relax and let it through. Similarly, when you hear the sound of the frame drum, you can just let it through your body, let it vibrate whichever place is stuck, and let that pass through you. Let's focus on our hearts and the loving that we are, and allow that loving to expand throughout our whole body, every cell of our body. If there's anything about yourself that you're upset with, that you don't like, don't do that to yourself. Just say, I love myself. Just as simple as that. I just love myself. And put your hand on your heart and just feel that love enter your hand and enter your whole body, and just go to whatever place, wherever it is needed for your highest good. Just come to that beautiful place inside and get in touch with your intention at this time for what you want out of this sound session, this sound episode, this meditation. And again, anything that's going on, you can always send the light to it for the highest good. So we have light, we have love, and now we allow the sound to be the carrier wave into the field of grace for our highest good.